Do you ever find yourself waking up in the morning feeling a little bit foggy, or find yourself in the middle of the afternoon not being able to recall important bits of information, or just feeling like there's this cloud of heaviness around you? This idea of brain fog or lethargy is often associated with fatigue. It's very common in the period of perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause, but also just related to stress as well. So if we find ourselves very stressed, it can have two impacts on us. It can disrupt our sleep, which of course leads to fatigue, chronic fatigue if it's very regular. But also it can just leave us feeling this heaviness during the day. So this practice is going to help you lift the brain fog and bring a bit of clarity back to the brain, the mind, the body. My name is Carrie from the Frog Project. We have a wonderful online community here of 20 live classes a week and lots of wonderful people. We chat about all this kind of stuff. We help each other move through life with a little bit of yoga. So if you're curious, come check us out. But for now, let's get started. Today, I have a blanket, I have a bolster. You can just grab pillows from the sofa or anything you've got, anything soft. And let's get started. Coming to a nice seated place, we're going to begin with a few nice big breaths. So let your hands rest on your legs and let your palms be face up. Allow the fingers here to relax, maybe giving them just a little wiggle. And then you can slowly close your eyes. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. And a couple more times just like that. And then just letting your whole self soften. And imagine in each of your palms is a beautiful flower. Any kind of flower here can be your favorite flower, just a big lily or anything you like. And imagine each flower sitting in the palm of your hand. Now, as you breathe in, imagine the petals of these flowers opening wide. And as you breathe out, imagine the petals of these flowers drawing in, closing in into a tight bud. Breathing in through the nose, the petals open wide. And breathing out through the nose, let the petals close in. A few more times just like this. Last breath here with the inhale. This imagery of the petals allows the nostrils to open more breath going in. And with this exhale, you imagine the petals drawing in. At the same time, this draws the navel in, forcing the air out. So helping us breathe a little deeper, a little more mindfully, and bringing more oxygen to the brain, more clarity to the brain. When you're ready, open your eyes. Notice how you feel here and give your wrists a little roll. Your shoulders a little roll. And gently leaning onto one side. Removing anything you were sitting on here. And let's take a few moments to roll around. Just bring in a bit of energy into the body, the spine. And we'll do a few rounds of easy cat-cow. Breathe in, drop your belly, reach the back of your head to the tailbone, look up. And exhale, nice big round here through the spine. 2 more times. Good. One more nice big breath in, lift open. And exhale this time, tuck your toes, send those hips high, downward facing dog. If it feels nice, maybe just shifting the weight here from side to side. Feel like you're getting into all of those corners. Clearing out all of those cobwebs. And slowly walk your feet all the way up to meet your hands. When you're ready, bend into the knees, roll everything up to stand. Good, and then bring your feet about hip distance apart. And as you exhale, sit into your squat. Now your arms can be shoulder height here, or they can reach up towards the ceiling. Let your fingers be wide, just like you are holding your lotuses or your flowers in your palms. Take a big breath in. And as you exhale, bring your elbows right into your ribs, your sides here. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. And then as you breathe in, open up again. And exhale, sink low, draw those elbows in. We're gonna do 5 more. Breathe in, lift up. Exhale and draw everything in. Good, lifting the heart rate here. As we go, breathing steady. 2 more, lift. Exhale, easy down. 1 more, lift up. Exhale, sitting low, elbows in. Now reach the arms out in front of you. Sit just a little lower and we're gonna pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring yourself all the way up. Relax your arms down and just bring your right hand onto your side. Just under your side there. Feel the heartbeat. Hands onto the ribs. Feel the ribs breathing out. Hands onto the belly, feel the belly breathing here. Good, relax the hands down. Step your feet a little wide now. Heels in, toes out. Soften the knees as you breathe in, lift tall. And as you exhale, squatting gently, open the arms out. So this is like a half goddess, half squatting pose, not too wide. And if you can go a little lower or just keep the hips high. Good, breathe in, lift tall. Exhale, cactus your arms, fingers spread wide. 4 more, inhale, lift. Exhale down, raising that heart rate. Clearing out the cobwebs. More oxygen to the brain. Here we go. Last one, breathe in tall. Exhale, sink your hips low. Maybe all the way down or maybe here. And let's pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring yourself up. Relax your hands down. Bring your right hand to your left side. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your ribs. Feel your belly. Good. Relax your hands. Take a big breath in, lift up. And as you exhale, fold all the way. Head and neck heavy here. Nice bend in the knees if that feels good. Just letting your whole self relax down now for a breath or two. And then slowly bending into the knees, bring your whole self down. And if you have a blanket, I'm going to invite you to make it into a long sort of sausage shape. Bring it into the center of your space. And if you have a bolster or some cushions, then that's going to come at the other end, just beneath your knees. Now, we're going to bring the bottom to the base of the blanket, the knees over the bolster, and then lay your spine down one notch at a time onto this blanket. Now, if your blanket's long, then take the end, roll it under a little bit, and make yourself a little pillow. This brings the forehead slightly higher than the chin, which is very relaxing for the body. Let your arms fall to your sides. And just let your whole self rest now. So brain fog can come from feeling fatigued. Fatigued because you just aren't sleeping enough. Or fatigued because your body is dealing with a lot of stress. Either way, giving yourself this time to relax. And to be held by the props, the cushions, the blankets. Can really work wonders. So take a few more moments here. And if you have the time today, please stay here for as long as you can. And whenever it's time to come back, you can slowly bend the knees, roll the bolster away, and make your way onto your side and gently push yourself up to sit. Take your time. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you feel a little clearer, a little brighter, and I'll see you soon.